Good morning again.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti, caruse e carusi.
So the wind is calming a little bit. So we hope we can talk and you can hear us.
We enjoyed some beautiful moments at the beach.
So guys, we are exploring the beautiful northern coastline between between Messina and Palermo, but actually we were at Argimusco Nature Reserve yesterday. So we are in the middle between Messina and Palermo. We are returning to our home near Palermo, and now first I want to say that we have a great time in Piraino, a very small village with a beautiful beach. Unfortunately we had no connections, but we recorded some stories for Instagram.
And also Facebook. You can find our stories on Facebook and on Instagram as well.
So now we are going ahead straight to Palermo, but of course we could not miss the opportunity to show you another wonderful piece of the northern coastline. I mean the coastline of Capo d'Orlando. So you can see behind us the new marina of Capo d'Orlando. It's a beautiful port dedicated to the private boat. A lot of people take the boat in this new port to go straight to the Aeolian archipelago, because the Aeolian, as I said in the last live broadcast, the archipelago is very close to this point of Sicily, and so you can navigate if you have a yacht, a motorboat. You can reach the closest Aeolian island, Volcano, in 1 hour, in 40 minutes, in 30 minutes if your boat is so fast. That's the new port, and now we will go to the
coastline.
The promenade, yeah, the coastline of Capo d'Orlando. So again, it's named Capo d'Orlando. During the trip we will show you the reason why it's named Capo d'Orlando. And we are in the very close to the Nebrodi Nature Reserve. If I switch, I don't want to switch, but just to show you, behind us it's a beautiful green area, a very wild area with beautiful woods, such as the Argimusco, where we have been yesterday. So, Rosella, are you ready?
I'm ready. You are the driver, Gianca. I am the camera woman.
So take the camera, enjoy it. See you soon. Puoi anche switchare, così fai vedere anche il porto meglio.
Wait for me, Gianca. Don't go away without me. I know that maybe you want to go away without me, but you have to wait for me.
Devi semplicemente abbassare un po' perché lo tieni troppo verso l'alto. They planted a lot of palms. It reminds Florida. But this is
Also the
Sicily.
California beaches. We were there 7 years ago, Gianca.
Yeah.
We hope to visit again United States.
Oh, look at the beautiful area with cactus. I love cactus. Non attaccare la macchina, ti vibraziano, non attaccare.
It's also a good place to run.
To do sports. But it's summertime now, so now people enjoy the beach.
In Sicily is 4 p.m. And don't forget, this is a live broadcast, not a recorded video. We are live from Sicily. Oh, you can see the small islands in front of us.
Would you like to say again? Because now it's clearer. So, vieni qua. So guys, this is Salina Island. This is Filicudi. Alicudi is over there. And then we have... Non ci arrivo il dito. Then we have Vulcano and Lipari Island. So, just 5 of the 7 Aeolian Islands. Salina, Christopher Sidoti, Home Island.
We hope to go to the
Aeolian
places,
very
soon.
Yeah. I look forward. It's one of my favorite places in Sicily. And we will dedicate an entire week to the archipelago. Show the pristine water, Rosella, please.
It's a very quiet beach.
Guys, did you see the green areas? The Cape, that's Cape Calabar. Please show Cape Calabar again. We've been to Cape Calabar today. Don't go away, Rosella, because they don't hear me. So as you can see, Sicily is not a dry land. It's a very green land, in particular in this area. The north coastline is very famous for the nature reserves. So if you go to the north side of Sicily, in the coastline between, in particular between Cefalù to Messina, so from the Madonian Nature Reserve to the Nebrodi to the Peloritani, there are 3 beautiful nature reserves. Now show please the beautiful rocks, Rosella.
Another stop here, Gianca. this place deserves a stop.
Come on, come on. So guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful coastline. The sea is not only pristine water, it's a very calm water where you can enjoy the beach or the... so in this case, we are not talking about the sandy beaches. I just say cobbles, so they are very, very small rocks, and they're so how do you say, it's easy for us because I don't like to be at a sandy beach because the sand remains in your skin and it's very difficult, very annoying. I prefer the small rocks, the cobbles. Oh, look at that!
Oh, stop, please. I need another stop.
They look like sculptures. In particular, the second one, Rossella. And that's named San Gregorio Beach, another nice beach. Of course, we are talking about small beaches, just like coves, not beaches. Some people enjoy the beach over there. But in few seconds, in a minute, you will discover the reason why Capo d'Orlando is so famous. Rosella, can I say that Capo d'Orlando boasts one of the biggest, the longest beaches in Sicily? So it's about 10 kilometers long.
Of beautiful beach.
So, 6 miles. And it's always almost a desert because Capo d'Orlando is not a big city. So
and it's not so touristic.
It's not touristic, but in the summertime, in particular July or in August, some people used to stay here to have the vacation. But the Sicilian people, because the other Italian people don't go to this part of Sicily. Oh, look at that, Rosella. Now, please. So this is the starting point of the beach. Okay. Get off. So guys, it's a very long beach. It arrives over there, so 6 miles beach, and please show the color of the water. What do you think, guys?
We forgot to say why Capo d'Orlando is named in this way.
Capo d'Orlando, guys, you know who's Orlando? Orlando is one of the most famous paladins of Carlo Magno. So if some of you have seen the Sicilian puppet show, perhaps it reminds Orlando, Rinaldo, Angelica. They are all characters, people from the legend and the story, because it's not a legend, the story of Carlo Magno. Carlo Magno, the king of the sacred Roman Empire. They say he defended the Christianity against the Arabs, against the Muslims, and he made some sacred wars, guerre sante, le crociate. Orlando was a paladin, was a knight, and was perhaps the most important knight. And they say, according to the legend, that Orlando stopped here during his trip to Jerusalem. So that's the reason why this town is dedicated to Orlando. Capo d'Orlando means the Orlando's Cape. That's the cape, but we can show because it's behind the buildings. And it's a nice place, and it was very famous for other reasons. So during the Middle Age, the medieval times, this place was the location of important battles between Aragonese against Arabs, against the pirates. Capo d'Orlando was, how do you say, attacked many times by the pirates, and they built an important castle, an important, how do you say, building to protect the town from the pirates.
And
But,
of course, now the main activity.
Why don't you show the sea, Rosella? It's better.
And of course, the main activity now is the fishing. Of course, it's
Yeah.
a seaside village, and so this is the main activity.
Yeah, it's one of the most important fishing village, but also it's a touristic place. I say again, it's not so touristic as Taormina or Cefalù or Syracuse, but because the entire coastline from Messina to Cefalù, I don't say Palermo, to Cefalù, is so rich. You have many beaches, you have many coves, you have many beautiful, quiet villages. So tourists, how do you say, distribute all along the coastline, and yeah, of course there are hotels, there are resorts, but you never see a crowd street such as in Taormina or in Cefalù. As you can see, people is well distributed in the beach.
Yeah.
Because there is a lot of space for everyone.
We can go on.
Where are you going?
2 minutes driving.
Driving again? Okay. Okay. Would you like to drive?
No, I have to drive. I can drive. It's my car.
This is your car.
I can do. Oh, look at this.
Oh, beautiful!
Aspetta che facciamo una ripresa. Siamo
Fantastico! Bellissima! Ciao! So guys, it was amazing. It was not a normal Fiat 500. It was the, how do you say, modified version. This is the 595 Abarth, 500 Abarth. One of the most famous rally cars during the 60s, of course. So it has a better engine, very nice. So let's show the promenade again.
In the meantime, Gianca, please remember our friends to share this live broadcast, to invite them, their friends to follow us. Don't forget to visit our new website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
Look at the road.
I'm looking at the road.
Because people care about you.
Yes.
Not only me, also you.
But I am a better driver than you. Everyone know it.
I don't know. I'm not so sure.
Guys, what do you think? Write in the comments. Can you check the comments, Gianca? Because I didn't do this.
I need my glasses. Thank you, Rosella.
Yeah.
My glasses.
I'm multitasking as all the women on the world.
So where are the comments? Oh, did you go through Messina? No, Catena. We arrived to Argimusco, so we arrived near how do you say, Falcone. We went to near Floresta. No, we didn't get to Messina. That beach is gorgeous. Yeah, Jackie, you're right. This is a one of the best coastlines in Sicily. Donna Naples says, "Don't fight." No, no, no. I'm okay. I don't want to fight. I used to fight all the time in the last few days, so now I'm relaxing because Rosella has to do something. Now I'm on vacation again.
Only today, Gianca.
Only today.
This is the last day of our small vacation.
Jackie says, "Gianca, you didn't look at the road." You're right, Jackie, but I have 4 eyes. I have also rear eyes. Justine says, "I'm sure you both are fine drivers, so you are so confident, Justin." Confident about Rosella. Oh, guys. So I should read the previous comment. You were making me nervous. Jackie, sorry. No. Ninfa Leone says, "Brava, it's hard to drive in Italy." But this is not Italy. This is a small village with few cars. So, okay. Now we are taking the highway.
Yeah.
Are you ready to leave the beautiful promenade of Capo d'Orlando, Rosella?
No, I'm not ready, but I have to come back.
So, hello from New Jersey. It's 10:30 a.m. there. So, good morning to all friends in the East Coast of United States. Also to people in the West Coast. But I think they are still sleeping now.
And what about the temperature today? Because everyone wants to know. We had 27 degrees, right, Gianca?
Oh, wow.
What?
Gianca, Francis Badalamenti says, "Gianca, Rosella is the best partner for you. Let her talk." So, Francis, I point the camera just in front of Rosella. So, Rosella, it's your time now. Stop at the traffic light now.
Yes, I know.
So, okay, we are approaching to the motorway.
Yeah. And so we have to stop, of
We have to
course.
stop because now it could be very dangerous. We don't want to be distracted by some beautiful comments.
But we will reply
Very
tonight,
soon. Very
tomorrow.
soon. Very soon. Just the time to go home, and we will reply all your comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the day with us. So if you missed the first live streaming, the first live broadcast from Gioiosa Marea, please check on Facebook on our channel and look at live from Gioiosa Marea when we had a special granita.
And don't forget to visit our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. Please, we need your help to grow up on Google. So, it's time to say bye-bye.
Yeah, but please stop. It's better.
I can stop.
It's
Here?
safer. Okay. So guys, again, thank you for watching. For those who have missed the previous live broadcasts, I want to say very sorry about the Argimusco Nature Reserve, because the entire area is out of internet connection. So we made a lot of videos. They are 4K videos, so in few days we will upload a beautiful video dedicated to the Argimusco Nature Reserve on our YouTube channel. And if you missed the last broadcast from Gioiosa Marea, take a look because it's very funny. And where else now?
Don't forget to look at our Instagram stories. So please, subscribe our YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's more that's the most important thing for us. We know that we love us, you take care of us, but if you make our YouTube channel bigger, because it needs to grow, you could make an important thing for us.
So let me make a list. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Visit our new website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Like our Facebook page and Instagram page, and where else?
And
send your love.
keep loving us. That's the most important thing. So a lot of tasks for you.
Yeah.
Don't give up.
And don't forget to share this live broadcast with your friends, of course.
Guys, thank you. Out of the joke, we love you. We love you, and we will do some surprises for you in the next few days.
See you soon.
We read a lot of comments. Some people have a Sicilian origin. I just say actually from Carini or from Terrasini.
Castellammare del Golfo.
And Castellammare del Golfo, very close to the place where we stay, where we live. So in particular Carini. We never made a live broadcast from the castle of Carini. That's very strange. I don't know why. So we should go there to show you the legend of the famous Baroness of Carini, and perhaps we will show you another piece of the beautiful coastline of Sicily. So also Carini boasts some beautiful beaches, and we will perhaps we can go to my Spanish watchtower, Torre Pozzillo. So stay tuned, guys.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao.